I hear the contactor buzzing, I think, but nothing is happening. What's going on here? Let's check the power coming in. Oh, I have no power coming in. Part of the problem right there. Well, that didn't last very long. There we go. Let's take the plug off the compressor. Well, it's lasting longer than before with the compressor. So it's not grounded. So 2.1, 9, 3.3. Alright, so she's ohming out just fine. Should be more than that. So we got her all buttoned up. Put a new cap in because the old cap was weak. We got a call for cooling. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna try to pay attention to the amp pull I'm getting out of my compressor. But the breaker is not popping. So there's my line. So that's my total amp pull. Going back to my 20 amp breaker, I'm only pulling 16 something now. So it's probably not gonna pop. And thinking back, a dead giveaway was probably, I don't think it like flipped it instantly, the breaker I mean. So it kind of ran for just a little bit and then would break. So maybe that was a good sign that the compressor wasn't shorted out or grounded or anything like that. So, weak cap caused the breaker to trip. That is interesting. I had a friend tell me this trick. Let's see if it works. We're gonna try it. Well, I'll be. Minimum circuit ampacity, 21.6. So it appears that you could probably use a little bigger breaker.